Have you ever watched an incredible AI video and wondered, how was this created? Maybe you thought, I need an expensive laptop, I need to know coding or subscribe to expensive app to generate video. AI is too difficult for me. The truth is, you don't need all that. Welcome to Josephine AI Academy. My name is Josephine AI Academy, and I am excited to welcome you to a place where artificial intelligence is made simple, practical, and easy to learn. Everything you are seeing in this video, from AI images to AI animations and realistic AI videos, can be created using tools that are available and free today. And the best part, you can learn many of these skills using just your smartphone. On this channel, I'll guide you step by step on how to create amazing AI images, turn images into cinematic AI videos, write powerful prompts that generate better results, use free and affordable AI tools, edit professional quality videos, and create content for your YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, or even your business. I know what it feels like to start with limited resources. That's why every lesson on this channel is designed especially for beginners. No complicated explanations, no technical jargons, just practical lessons you can follow immediately and apply. Whether you are a student, a content creator, a business owner, a church media volunteer, or someone who simply wants to understand AI, you're welcome here. This is more than a YouTube channel. It is a learning community where we will grow together, improve together, and explore the incredible possibilities of artificial intelligence. If you're ready to learn AI using your smartphone, create amazing content, and build valuable digital skills, subscribe to Josephine AI Academy, turn on the notification bell, and join me on this exciting journey. Welcome to this academy. Let's learn AI, create better, and grow faster together.